Dragon Medical Practice Edition, the new Dragon Bar. Dragon Medical Practice Edition has an all-new Dragon Bar. There are new icons and an all-new menu structure designed to increase your efficiency with Dragon. Starting on the left with the Dragon icon. What is new here is the View options. This will open the Options dialog box with the View tab selected so you can quickly make any changes. There is a new microphone icon, but only the look is new. When the microphone is red, it is off, green, it is on, and yellow or golden color, the microphone is in the sleep mode. There is now a smaller volume display window. However, it functions exactly the same as before. This checkmark is called the Text Control Indicator. The round ball Select and Say indicator is now replaced with this checkmark. A green checkmark indicates a standard window. For example, on the Dragon Bar, I'll select Tools and Dragon Pad. The Text Control Indicator is green because the Dragon Pad is recognized as a standard window. I'll close the Dragon Pad. And the Text Control Indicator is grayed out, or white, which indicates a non-standard window, because Dragon recognizes the desktop as a non-standard window. The next icon is the Recognition Mode Indicator. This is a visual reference that lets you know instantly which recognition mode Dragon is in. Dragon always opens to the normal mode. If you select the menu item Modes, you will see the 6 different recognition modes available. In the normal mode, the recognition mode indicator is a big dot enclosed in parentheses. In dictation mode, the big dot is shown but the parentheses are grayed out. In command mode, the dot is grayed out and the parentheses are back. In numbers mode, the icon is 1, 2, 3. And in spell mode, the icon is ABC. When in hidden mode, the recognition mode indicator is hidden. I'll return to the normal mode and close the graphics. The message area has been moved more to the left in the Dragon Bar, with the menu items now on the right side. The menu items have changed to Profile, Tools, Vocabulary, Modes, Audio, and Help. This change is designed to provide faster access to more commonly used Dragon features. For example, under Profile, you can quickly add a new user profile. Notice that the term User File, which was used for previous versions of Dragon Medical, has now changed to User Profile. Under the Profile menu, you can quickly access the option to Add audio source to current user profile. This will open the new dictation source dialog box. And you can quickly access the option Add vocabulary to current user profile. This is a quick shortcut to the new vocabulary dialog box, so you can easily add a new vocabulary to the user profile. Also under the Profile menu, you can quickly access the options Backup User Profile and Restore User Profile. These options are still found in the Manage User Profiles dialog box. One option that you may see grayed out is Prepare User Profile for Use. This option will be available if, for example, you create a user profile but you do not complete the new user profile creation wizard. Selecting this option will allow you to complete the user profile creation process. Notice that all of the options listed under this menu item are specific to a user profile. This is the intended design of the new Dragon Bar, to have a menu name that better describes the options that it provides, which will help you to quickly get to the options you want to access. Under the Tools menu, you can see some familiar items such as Dragon Pad, the dictation box, Add New Command, the command browser, and Options. Now added to the Tools menu are the options Transcribe Recording, Auto Transcribe Folder Agent, and Recognition History. Now, in Dragon Medical Practice Edition, the administrative settings can be accessed while a user profile is open. However, notice that this message appears, "Close user profile to proceed." So the user profile still has to be closed to open the administrative settings. Also under Tools, Auto Formatting Options is the new name for the older term formatting. Under the Vocabulary menu, you will find the options that are specific to your profile's vocabulary. You can quickly open the option Learn from Specific Documents. So Dragon can search selected documents to find words to add to your vocabulary and adapt to your writing style. You can also quickly select the option Learn from Sent Emails. Dragon will search your sent emails, once again adapting to your writing style and adding contact names to your vocabulary. Add new word or phrase. This is a new feature that allows you to add a word or phrase to the vocabulary along with a spoken form. For example, I will add the phrase Manatee Bay Imaging Center with a spoken form of MBIC. As with the previous version of Dragon Medical, you can assign a word category. I'll select department name. And you can train the pronunciation of the word or phrase. When adding a spoken form, you may see this message. The vocabulary does not contain the following word. If the word is spelled as you intended, click OK, and the program will give it an approximate pronunciation. However, if you keep the default selection of I want to train the pronunciation of the word or phrase, you will have the option to provide a pronunciation for the word or phrase. MBIC. Next is the option Open Vocabulary Editor. This has changed from the old title of View Edit. The next two options, Import List of Words or Phrases and Export Custom Word and Phrase List. These are the same options as before, but with a more descriptive title. Also, Manage Vocabularies and Open Recent Vocabulary. They are the same, only now moved to the Vocabulary menu. The Modes menu allows you to change to the different recognition modes. The Audio menu is a new feature that provides easy access to the options such as Playback. This will play back the Dragon Recorded Audio, or DRA, which is the recorded speech that was created with your dictation. Next is the option Read That. This option provides text-to-speech audio for when there is text that was not created using Dragon or the Dragon Recorded Audio was not saved. For example, highlight the text, and the option of Read That is also available as an icon on the Extras toolbar.
The patient presents today with complaints of a migraine headache.
I'll close this window and return to the Audio menu. The Check Microphone option replaces the former Audio Setup wizard, with all new text to read for the volume check and quality check. Improve recognition of word or phrase. This is a new training dialog box. You can enter the word or phrase you want to train, and you can now enter a spoken form here if needed. Also, the option Add Word or Phrase to the Vocabulary is enabled by default. So, this is another source for improving recognition accuracy by training the pronunciation of a word or phrase with a spoken form, or adding a new word or phrase with a spoken form to the vocabulary. For example, and Dragon is letting us know that the spoken form is not in the vocabulary. MBMD. Read text to improve accuracy. This quickly opens the General Training dialog box. I'll close out of this window and quit training session without saving changes, yes. Launch Accuracy Tuning. This opens the Acoustic and Language Model Optimizer. I'll close this window and go to the Help menu. The Help menu provides access to the Accuracy Center by selecting Improve My Accuracy. This opens an all-new Accuracy Center. The Accuracy Center has an improved design that helps guide the user to the tools available that will improve recognition accuracy. The accuracy tools are listed under the 5 headings of Personalize Your Vocabulary, Set Options and Formatting, Adjust Your Acoustics, Find or Train Commands, and Get More Information. Also in the Help menu is the option Performance Assistant, which offers suggestions for optimizing Dragon's speed on your computer. Then there is the familiar Help Topics and Tip of the Day. The Dragon sidebar is somewhat of a new feature, as it is a new and improved Sample Commands window, providing a better list of commands and tips that change with each application or window that has the focus. Commands are listed under clickable links that open directly to the Dragon Help Topics, providing information about the commands and how to use them. For example, if you click Get Help, this opens Using Dragon Medical Practice Edition Help. I'll close this window and close the sidebar, and then return to the Help menu. The other options in the Help menu are the Tutorial, which has also been redesigned, providing for a better and more user-friendly guide on information on how to use Dragon Medical Practice Edition. You can also check for updates to Dragon Medical Practice Edition. And the option Dragon on the Web will open the Nuance Dragon Medical web page. And the last 2 options in the Help menu are the familiar Register Online and About Dragon.